Oftentimes in today's society, people are required to have surgery to repair their health issues. As a society, we have much concern for the patients, but not as much concern for the surgeons who perform the operations. Surgeons spend a lot of their time in the operating room bending over, operating on patients, which causes severe neck and back pain, so we have a solution for the problem. As you can see, when Dr. Hernandez is performing his operation, his neck is bent over and his back is bent over. This causes severe pain for Dr. Hernandez over a lifetime of operations.
The surgeon suspension unit 2K20 works, it's a pretty simple idea. This is the surgeon here, he's suspended down. This is from the ceiling, these are a bunch of wires that help take him down. The idea is we do not want the surgeon to have to stand all the time during surgery, because some surgeries could last up to 18 hours and even more. So to alleviate the pain on the back and the neck, we suspend him down from the ceiling, and he basically works from on top of the patient. This is here. These two are the helpers that will bring the surgeon his tools so he can stay suspended and the whole entire surgery doesn't have to come down. Basically it comes down and it could adjust, so if he has to move down, you could pull the wires up and then he could go up, but if he needs to back away, you could pull the wires, like put them down, and then you could go down like that. Basically, we just want to try and protect the surgeon's neck and back area throughout the whole procedure.
So in real life, this is how it works. This is the unit that the surgeon would wear while performing the operation. You can notice that there's strings attached so that the bungee cords can fit appropriately. On this diagram, this is what that is right there. The cords would attach and the surgeon would be able to freely move almost anywhere he wants around the surgery area while someone directs the machine so that he can swing left, right, up, down, diagonal, or whichever way he needs.
As a surgeon, I think that this unit is a very good invention because after doing all these surgeries every year, I get pain here and here. And since the device is suspended, I won't have this pain anymore.
Do you think that this is something that would work for other surgeons?
I really do.
Why?
Because they will no longer have to be standing and leaning over and killing their backs and necks, and they'll no longer have to take pain medications.
Thank you, Dr. Hernandez.
I really think the surgeon suspension unit 2K20 is a very good idea because it's very cost efficient. You need ropes or bungee cords just to hang them down, and it's not that big of an expense. And this could be worldwide. Say you a third world country and they need money, it's not that hard to bring in ropes. So everyone in the entire universe, the world, can basically use this cheap, and it will be efficient because we don't want the people who are supposed to be protecting our backs and spines in surgery to have the same surgeries done to them just because they're helping others. So like basically because the ropes are holding them up, it is helping the surgeon limit the pains. Also, the field of motion is better because he could reach everywhere around him. There's no objections. You don't have to reach across because you could just move and just have the help of your assistants to help you bring tools.
Why should I purchase this as a consumer in the market?
Because there's so many hospitals around the world, and although it's not spoken a lot about the surgeons actually having pains, because they just feels like it comes with the job. It's not necessary. Surgeries have been going on since ancient times, and it's literally been the same process over and over. So I think it's good to try a new process which could help the surgeon.
I'm Mark White, and I approve of the Surgeon Suspension Unit 2K20.
I'm Edwin Hernandez, and I approve of the Surgeon Suspension Unit 2K20.
I'm Tom Behan, and I approve of the Surgeon Suspension Unit 2K20.